In this video, I'm going to show you how to find foreclosed homes in Texas using a really secret website that most people don't even know about. So make sure you stay all the way to the end and watch this video. So using this website, you'll be able to find all sorts of foreclosed properties in Texas before they hit the market. This is going to give you the chance to jump in really early and get a great deal. But first, you might want a quick reminder. What exactly is a foreclosure and why is it beneficial to a real estate investor? Well, a foreclosure occurs when a property owner defaults on their mortgage payments, leading the lender to reclaim the property. So this process can happen pretty quickly, which often leaves the homeowners with very little time to prepare. Now, this might sound really evil saying, but the truth is that for a real estate investor, foreclosures can present a really unique opportunity. These properties are often sold at way below market price, so you can actually jump in and get a great deal. Investing in foreclosures can be really advantageous for several reasons. So first of all, as I said, these properties can be purchased at a significant discount, oftentimes between 20 and 50% below the market value. Second, foreclosures can provide a quicker turnaround for investors because they often need repairs, which allows you to increase their value with some renovations. And lastly, foreclosures are a great way to enter a market without facing the intense competition that comes with traditional home sales. So what exactly is this secret website that I was talking about? Well, I've included a link to it in the description, and if you click that link, it's going to bring you to foreclosure.com. And so this site is a total goldmine for investors in Texas who want to find foreclosed properties before they hit the mainstream market. You can actually find thousands of properties all across the country, but in this video, I'm specifically going to focus on Texas. As you can see, Houston is actually one of the top cities for foreclosures. So let's just click on, click on Houston and just take a look. So we can see there's lots of different properties. There's actually over 2,900 foreclosure home listings in Texas right now in Houston. So you can actually filter them by price. So let's say you want a property below $100,000. You can find a lot of properties like that. You can even find properties, let's see if we can find something below 60,000. Yeah, so you can even find properties for below 60,000. I mean, $36,000, that's extremely cheap. You can select the different types of properties that you're interested in. So you can even look for land in Texas. Let's just clear that out. So you can see a bunch of land for sale in Texas. And if you click on one of these, so you would actually have to get the free trial for this. You can click the link, just follow the login process, enter your information, and you'll get full access for the free trial. And so in that case, you'll be able to see all the photos. All this information is already here with the principal, the interest, the property taxes, homeowners insurance. You can find other helpful links as well, like the foreclosure laws in Texas and stuff like that. You can also find really specific information about the property, like the square footage, the construction type, the type of heating that they use, and more stuff like that. More information about kind of your investment and how you can make sure that you make money with this. So overall, foreclosure.com is a great website if you're looking to get into real estate investing in Texas, and I would highly recommend it. So just click the link in the description below. Check out the free trial. You'll be able to access all the photos and the information that you're looking for completely for free. So once you click that link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And you can see this button right here, get free preview. So you're just going to click this button. Now you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email, confirm it, and your password. And then just check these two boxes and click continue. And that's going to allow you to create a free account. And so now you're actually going to have access to all the photos and images and all the other details of these properties. And I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.